Hey, drone nerds, Andrew here. We all know the old adage, love what you do and you'll never work a day in your life. What if you love drones, but you also love making a living? Why not combine the two? Here are 5 ways you can make money as a drone pilot. Consider subscribing to Drone Nerds and liking the video. It really helps. Before we get started, I need to make one thing abundantly clear. You must have your FAA Part 107 certification to fly drones commercially. No exceptions. That's something you'll have to get before working as a professional drone pilot. Number 1. Agricultural drone pilot. Agriculture is a specialized application of drone technology that stands out due to its requirement for a multispectral sensor. This advanced sensor detects light in the non-visual range, particularly infrared and near-infrared, allowing it to collect data indicative of crop health. By using drones equipped with these sensors to capture data over farmland, farmers can generate NDVI maps, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, enabling effective crop health management. Identifying areas with suboptimal health enables precise resource allocation like irrigation, fertilizers and pesticides, and more. While it's a relatively recent addition to agriculture, entering this field through drone services can place you at the forefront of this innovative trend. Number 2, mapping and surveying. Creating 3D maps and models through drone technology holds broad applications, particularly in industries like mining, urban planning, and civil engineering, where accurate terrain models are crucial. These models aid in planning excavation, road layouts, and hazard mitigation. There are 2 primary methods of creating these maps. Photogrammetry, which generates 3D models using overlapping aerial images that are run through a specialized software, and LiDAR, a more accurate but expensive method. The value of the data in this field allows for premium pricing, making drone 3D modeling a highly profitable venture with significant demand. Number 3, inspections. Drones offer a safer and faster solution for inspecting miles and miles of power lines, pipelines, construction sites, cell towers, rooftops, and more. Equipped with thermal cameras, drones can identify things like power line damage by detecting heat variations caused by disrupted current flow, replacing weeks of work with just a few hours. This technology also proves valuable for drone rooftop inspections, benefiting real estate agents, roof repair teams, solar installers, insurance adjusters, and homeowners. The appearance and condition of roofs significantly impact property values, which can drive high demand for drone-based assessments. These inspections eliminate hazards, logistical challenges, and the need for repeat surveys. Number 4, search and rescue. Globally, first responders have integrated drones to enhance their capabilities, particularly in search and rescue missions. Drones excel in covering large areas swiftly, offering aerial overviews and rapid deployment. Equipped with thermal cameras, these drones can detect anomalies even in darkness or obscured environments. Some models even feature things like loudspeakers and spotlights to help find lost individuals. The cost-effective nature of drones versus using helicopters makes them an incredibly attractive option. Law enforcement agencies benefit from having in-house pilots for immediate response, but offering training services to departments that are still seeking drone pilot expertise remains a valuable avenue. Number 5, education and consultation. Maybe you can't decide on any particular industry, but still want to be involved with flying drones and sharing your expertise and passion with other people. Becoming a drone flight instructor is an appealing option for those who enjoy teaching and communication. Unlike manned airport flight instruction, there are currently no official FAA certifications for drone flight instruction. Instead, various organizations establish their own criteria. Another way to educate would be through consultation. Implementing drone programs can be really complex, and a drone consulting firm can help launch successful drone programs by providing training, guidance, and legal compliance. These services can also ensure adherence to evolving laws, especially the FAA's Part 107. Investing in a drone consulting service is invaluable to avoid costly mistakes and ensure a successful drone program with a quick return on investment. These are just 5 examples of how you can make a career out of flying drones. Enterprise drone usage is still in its adoption phase, so do some research. Maybe you'll find a new way to revolutionize an industry with drone technology. Click the link in the description below to see how Drone Nerds can help you kit out the perfect drone for your business today. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.